Hey guys, we got this exotic bird here with its eggs going to attack us if we mess with it. Oh, look. It's raising up its feathers, going to attack them.
Now, were y'all out here the other day when it said,
Oh, there goes its feathers again. Boy, you better be careful.
and then it went down and pretended like it was hurt? Did y'all see that one?
Yeah.
That's to get you to go and chase it instead of be over there with its stuff.
Well, I see it like standing right there. I'm like, what's there? I want to see that.
See if I got any more zoom. Nope, ain't got no more zoom.
Yeah, you just like right there. Right there's the line.
There's only a certain line.
Walk up a little bit. See? It's already activated.
It's a bomb.
Ninjas.
You think it's a warbler?
Here, what are you doing?
Wait, I'm gonna test something.
Leave it alone.
I'm gonna see what's trying to attack
It's
me.
eggs. Weird.
The camo.
See, what you guys are doing right now is you're just stressing out the bird.
That's the end of the video, guys. Its eggs are right underneath it. They're like camoed the rocks.